bowling park in Bradford.
Bowling?
Bowling park, it's called Bowling Park in BD5. Let's see the next one.
No, we have one.
Oh, what's this?
This is
A Triumph. Don't touch. It's a Triumph. Look at its roof. Look at the roof.
Oh, nice, man.
What is it? Triumph Stag. Is it yours? Oh, right.
Said you put all in the steering wheel. Don't touch the car.
Whoa, yeah.
Put all in the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Oh, yo.
Look at the exhaust, yo.
Turn the exhaust. This looks like a Aston Martin, but in the old version.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Right, what about this one? What about this one? What's this now?
Oh, this is big. This looks.
Come on, let's see if you know what this is. You should know what this is.
Wait, let me
Mazda MX-5.
Mazda MX-5.
Mazda MX-5.
Mazda MX-5.
Mazda. What car is it? Wee, what is it?
Oh, this is the.
This is an Alfa Romeo.
Look at that car.
Really nice and clean.
Look, come here. This is one of the cars. This is one of the live cars, Papi said.
It's
a live car that open up.
It's a Fiat. Something.
It opens the eyes up.
I know, Dan. I was just thinking, where's Subaru?
Broken, mate.
Not fixed it yet.
No, well, I'm getting thingy 2.1 thingy.
Oh, 2-point stroke.
It's too little. This is one of the fastest cars.
Right. Okay. Let's have a look. What is it? It's a Triumph as well. What does it say? What letters are they? What letters are they?
GTR, man.
GT6. You need to go.
Oh, look
You
at
need
the
to be behaving in school, mate. It's really clean Audi, this.
This is from the old door.
Yeah, but look how clean it is.
This is a nice Audi.
Wow, look how clean the engine is. That is very clean.
Yeah, look at this car.
Whoa, so is this your favorite car?
Yeah.
What is it?
Lambo.
Right.
Marcos.
It's a Marcos. Don't touch.
Oh, let me take some pictures of this with it.
It's really nice though. Whatever it is. It's got AP racing brakes on it.
I saw a Batman car.
Is there a Batman car there? Oh, so it's a Marcos Montara Spider V8. The greatest British sports car.
And this thing.
It's fiberglass 2-part body shell on a tubular box section metal frame.
Who is
Engine
this car?
3.9 litre fuel injected V8. Wow. Nice. Really nice. Oh, I used to have a steering like that. One of my Subarus. I took it off because it was too small.
This is from, if anybody knows Fast and Furious, this is from it.
Fast and Furious, yeah.
How do
Oh
you know
wow!
this is Dom used to
Look at
drive
that!
this.
Look at that engine!
This is Dom's car.
It's a beauty, isn't it?
MG.
I see this in the movie.
What movie?
All in the movie. I think this in the movie too.
What's this now? Hunter Holby.
I don't know, but it's got them.
Never get bored of that sound.
Whoa, really nice mini this. Look at it. Look at the color of the interior.
That's from Pistol Hole.
It's blue.
Look at here.
I've seen it.
Oh, this is Mr. Bean's car. Mr. Bean.
Whose car is it?
Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean.
Yeah, it might be.
The Mr. Bean car. Look at that all of their cars.
Whoa. It's got a really clean thing. I wonder what, is that the ABS? That looks like ABS or something. All in the ABS system. Wow. Very clean. Look how clean it is. Wow. Inside there, it's pretty mint.
It looks like it just made brand new.
Must be a full restoration on this. Oh, that's called
Oh, that
Mark
looks
1.
like some pistol exhaust.
Look at this. Golf.
What's that?
Mark 1. Oh, look, someone's put a ball through his screen.
That's no.
It's a sticker. Don't touch. Told you don't touch. Whoa, look at this.
This is in the.
This is, what is it? Modest.
This is in Chicky Chicky Bang Bang.
Chicky Chicky Bang Bang.
Yeah, is it?
No, that's a bit, yeah, similar. No, that's a bit different, isn't it?
No, there's some other car that he used to drive.
What's this green thing now?
Oh,
I'm
these
not
are,
good with these.
these are the red cars.
Triumph.
These are the red cars.
Don't touch. Oh, right, so the lifts up.
Yeah, this is one of the alive.
Wow. What about this one?
This is definitely Chicky Chicky Bang Bang.
Wow. This is mint, this. See what it's like on the inside. Wow. All red interior. It's mint now. Full restoration, isn't it? Wow. It's crazy, that. That's what it looks like first.
Oh yeah, well it's shipping.
Wow. Morgan. Nice, isn't it? Very nice. Back to the Future. Where is this car from then?
This year.
No. Yeah, maybe, but it's Back to the Future car.
Yeah.
It's that movie, Back to the Future.
Yeah. It's made in the future.
When he goes, flies off, and then he goes to another dimension. This is that car.
And then he jumps in the car. Hey, look, this is the. There should be boost here.
Nice.
There, boost switch. You can see that.
Yeah, he presses that and then he zooms off.
Oh, look, twin exhaust. Twin exhaust.
Go down by ground,
Wood thing.
and it had stickers on the door. And we were having a chat.
1800 or
There
something.
we go, ready? Right, that is a fire extinguisher.
Cortina. Whoa, look at this.
Look at all the Olympic cars.
Yeah, there's quite a few cars here, I didn't even know. It's midnight, isn't it? Nice to brew here. Then, what is it? 2. Oh, it might be private plate. Don't look like a version 2 STI. Might be a private number plate. Nice, isn't it?
No,
You don't. Oh, you don't like Subarus? Just Lamborghinis?
no.
What do you like? Ferraris, right? Okay. Come on then. I like Subarus, me.
Me too, I love Subarus. Look
Come
at
on then.
radio. Mud.
Don't touch. What is it?
That's the clipboard.
It's a GPS speedometer or something. Don't touching. Come on, boss. Look at him. He's chilling. He's made a stand-up scooter into a sit-down one by putting a tire on it. Clever boy. Clever boy.
Probably took the tire off from these cars.
Wow. You ever seen a car like this?
Yeah. Down to the engine. I haven't got the keys at the moment, otherwise I would. There's a lady got them. Look, we'll rev it for you. You're on the circuit track when we go around, we'll rev it.
Look at the exhaust on this.
Oh, that's lovely. Get you a cocktail. I got some cocktail last night.
They're gonna go somewhere, yeah.
I can see the organ in the car.
Let's
Mr. Beast cars died.
yeah, let's hear them. Whoa, that sounds good, eh? Can you smell it? Yeah, he's closed it now. Right, they're all sat here now, waiting for the cars to drive by, aren't ya?
Yeah. And they're gonna go 100 miles per hour.
100 miles per hour? They're gonna be going so fast, mate. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready?
Yeah. Wow, they're sliding. They're sliding. Come on.
Do you want me to take you over and see it?
Lambo.
It's not a Lamborghini. Are you doing, Uncle? You okay?
I'm fine, thank you. You okay?
All good. Is Umar around?
He's coming.
Is he coming?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Can you do the engine? It's starting. Oh, go back, go back. Go to the back, go to the back. Hey, look at that.
Yeah,
Look
loads
at
of
him.
flies.
Do the engine. This is like a Papa holding this Scoobies. Papa holding the ones.
Yeah.
Petrol smell. Papa holding the petrol.
He likes the petrol smell.
It's so nice. Proper nice. It looks like your.
Mine's an older one than this. Right, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video of these classic cars. Did you enjoy that?
It was a beast. I'm too hot now.
You're too hot now. He got his big jacket on.
It's not a game.